Have you ever noticed something strange? Two people try the Temu FREE Gift on the same day. One says, "This is actually pretty good." The other says, "It didn't do much for me." So why are their experiences so different? I wanted to find out. At first, I assumed it was just luck, different people, different accounts. End of story. But after testing it myself, I realized there was another piece of the puzzle. How you start your Temu session. I compared several different approaches. Sometimes I used random coupon codes from older videos. Other times I skipped coupon codes altogether. And then I tested the code on the screen. Everything else stayed the same. The results were surprisingly consistent. Whenever I started with random codes, the experience felt pretty average. The coupon bundles were smaller, the offers weren't as interesting, and the free gift section didn't feel very active. Then I'd repeat the process using the code on the screen. That's when I regularly noticed larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift experience that had changed the way I looked at it. It wasn't that the Temu FREE Gift worked for one person and failed for another. Sometimes people were simply starting from completely different places. One person was relying on random or outdated codes. The other was beginning with a code that consistently performed better in my comparisons. Now, let's be fair, promotions change over time. Different accounts may receive different offers, so no one can honestly promise identical results for everyone. But if you're wondering why some people seem to have a much better experience, my testing pointed to one habit that made the biggest difference. Before browsing, before adding products, before doing anything else, start with the code on the screen. That's the approach that repeatedly gave me the strongest overall combination of coupon bundles, discounts, and free gift opportunities. My biggest takeaway success wasn't about finding a secret trick. It was about avoiding random methods and giving yourself the best possible start. That's why the code on the screen has become the only one I use. If you've had mixed results with the Temu FREE Gift before, try starting with the code on the screen next time. Then come back and tell me, did your experience feel different compared to using random codes?